I am so blessed to be in this environment that God has made. It's a blessing. Look at those mountains right there. Oh my God, I love those mountains. Who made them? God made them. He made the mountains, He made the hills, He made the valleys. And I am so grateful to be in this environment that God has made. It's beautiful. Our God is good. He has made all things beautiful. He made us in His own image, and He gave us the beauty of nature.